Introducing the AIMCO AUET MTM-50-500 Torque Tester, the ultimate solution for verifying torque settings and repeatability of your hand tools, power tools, and pulse tools. With its wide torque range of 5.0–500.0 in lb, this tester is ideal for various applications in assembly and manufacturing industries. The AUET/MTM-50-500 comes with an adjustable auto-clear feature, allowing you to customize the reset function according to your specific needs. It also offers 4 modes of processing torque signals: peak, first peak, track, and pulse, providing flexibility in capturing different types of torque data. The included repeatable joint simulator ensures consistent and accurate testing conditions, enhancing the reliability of torque measurements. Moreover, the AUET/MTM-50-500 allows users to select from 8 available engineering units, accommodating various measurement preferences and industry standards. With its accuracy of 0.5% and resolution of 0.1 in lb, the AIMCO AUET/MTM-50-500 guarantees precise torque measurements. Its compact design, weighing only 42 pounds and measuring 56.5 x 18.5 x 10.5, makes it portable and easy to integrate into your production line. Invest in the AIMCO AUET/MTM-50-500 Torque Tester and elevate your quality control processes. Its versatility, accuracy, and ease of use make it an indispensable tool for ensuring precise torque measurements and maintaining consistent production standards.